Hey, Alan here, and if you hear a whooshing noise in the background, that's the heat running. Here I am in North Texas. It is approaching late morning, and the temperature is 37 degrees. It's overcast and windy, and we haven't seen anything over 50 degrees here in about 3 days. And this is April 17th. It feels more like North Dakota than North Texas. What can I tell you? Spring 2021. So I have a lot of stuff going on, not the least of which is I just had a new roof installed on this trailer, and in my post I explain why. It's going to be at rvacrossamerica.net/new roof. Simple enough. Let's just say that it happened as a result of a too close encounter with some tree branches. I'm pretty good at scoping out what's in front of me and what's to my side. I'm not always good at estimating what's 13 feet above me. So it happened. Fortunately, Progressive Insurance stepped up to the plate, and a RV repair shop called Performance Motor Coach stepped up to the plate. And the rest of the story is going to be over at rvacrossamerica.net/new roof. Enjoy, and we'll talk soon on some other topics.